Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by locking the environment where the dashboard lives. Convert ranges to tables and name them. This makes formulas resilient. Once done, move source tables to a sheet you'll hide and protect. This prevents accidental edits. Make sure to create a time-stamped backup copy now so you can revert if needed. Also set calculation to automatic. This keeps dependent visuals updating. These steps limit risk and give you a clean baseline before applying sheet or workbook protection. Next, focus on what the user can change. Select interactive cells and clear the locked flag, then lock the rest of the sheet. This leaves inputs editable. After that, apply Protect Sheet with a password. Choose one you store securely, so users can't alter charts or formulas. To reduce errors, add data validation rules and replace free-form inputs with form controls or drop-downs. Doing this preserves design and prevents accidental formula deletion, which keeps calculations stable and the dashboard reliable. Finally, lock the workbook structure to stop sheet deletion or reordering, and encrypt the file with a password to prevent unauthorized opening. Once encrypted, test a typical user flow to confirm controls and refresh behaviors work. If you use macros, sign them and set macro security. This prevents warnings or disabled code. If something breaks, restore from the backup you made. Unhide sheets and sequentially remove protections to isolate the issue. This troubleshooting step usually reveals the offending protection or formula.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.